Do you want to get more out of school than what's in a textbook? Do you want to hear how students are getting a head start on their career while still in high school? Look no further than our high school apprenticeship showcase. This week, from the 15th to the 19th, hear from high school students who got their own hands-on experience in a field of their dreams, working side by side with industry professionals who are eager to share their knowledge and skills.
The title of my project is Interior Design.
My internship project is Nostalgia and Music.
Title of my internship project is The Story of a Relay Team.
During both high school lunches, you can talk to the apprenticeship students who can explain how their experiences match their interests and goals. Get the chance to learn about things such as video production and support your high school's basketball and track team, or learn about audio production and support the choir and band kids.
Go out and explore and do things that most schools they push you to go to college. Sausele would push you to go explore what you're into, really.
Interested? Don't wait. Come to the Apprenticeship Showcase on the 15th through the 19th and the R&D during both school lunches.
Fun.
Little comedic.
Innovative.
Different.
Helpful.